Hey there, sweetness, how goes it? I do hope that it goes well. Card of the day for Scorpio. Scorpio, as soon as I hit record, I'm hearing, somehow she's so smooth, but she's fire. Alright, and your cards. Today you have the Six of Swords, accompanied by a channeled message. No tongue till after dessert. Help me out, I'm totally blank. This is a message about delayed gratification. It's about doing the work in order to get to the pleasure after. It's the pot of gold after climbing and struggling through and searching the rainbow.